beta trading training session. In this session we will quickly have an overview of what trading is all about, and also how to buy and sell and the different forms of buying and selling. To start off, the most important thing to remember is that this is a demo system, and that as a demo system you should not at any time deposit real money or real cryptocurrencies to any of the accounts. Now, before we can start, there's a couple of important prerequisites. The first is that your account needs to be verified before you'll be able to buy or sell anything. Secondly, if you go to wallet, just ensure that you have some Australian dollars. Video 3 explains how you can actually submit a deposit request, which is just a testing request. You will be issued some demo dollars and then you can purchase. Okay, so when you want to buy cryptocurrency, where do you go? You're going to go to your trade area. And when you go to your trade area, you'll notice that this is an area that shows you all the price action, and you can choose which time defaults you have. That is not important at this stage. What's important is you can see you can buy or you can sell. Also notice that at this stage we can just, it says buy Ether and sell Ether, because at the moment we've got an Ether Bitcoin pair. Everything on the exchange is matched in pairs, and if you want to buy anything, you can only buy or sell what is available in that pair. For example, let me explain. If we look at what's paired with Australian dollars or fiat Australian currency, you'll see that there's a limited number of coins available. Now I can buy, if I choose Bitcoin AUD, I can now buy Bitcoin as long as I have Australian dollars in my account. But if I go and I say I would like to buy, for instance, let's say Uniswap tokens, Uni tokens, with Australian dollars, I'll have a problem, because there's no Uni AUD pair. I'll have to first buy USDT or USDC in order to be able to buy Uni. As you can see, there's a lot more options here. EOS is an example as well. I can buy EOS with USDT, but definitely not with Australian dollars, because EOS is not matched up. The point I want to make is, whenever you want to purchase a currency, you can only do so with a currency it is paired with. You can see that we do have Bitcoin paired with Australian dollars. We've also got coin paired with Australian dollars. And of course, if you want to buy USDT, if you go to the USDT paired, you'll notice that actually Australian dollars is also paired with USDT. Great, let's do that. We select AUD USDT. Now it shows me it's a bit the other way around, but I've got already 370 USDT and I've got 2,162 Australian dollars. Now I cannot buy USDT, it says buy AUD or sell AUD. The only logic is that actually I will sell AUD in order to get USDT. Remember that. So if the pair is not in a form that you can buy what you want, you just have to sell the matching pair to get the opposite one. Before we go ahead, there's another important thing to remind here. You've got limit orders and market orders. What's the difference there? A market order simply means whatever the price is right at the moment when you select sell, or when you select buy, that's the price at which you will buy it. For instance, let's say I want to buy some Australian dollars and I've got USDT. Now I want to say I only want to buy 100 Australian dollars. The moment I buy that, it will execute at the exact value what the market is at, which is 0.6935. It might even change. go buy, and yes, my order is placed successfully and filled. We'll see that my USDT has reduced and my AUD has increased. Same with the opposite. If I want to get some more tether, I need to sell Australian dollars. And if I simply go, okay, I actually want to sell 500 Australian dollars, the moment I select sell, it will execute immediately. So how does a market order or limit order differs from that? A limit order allows me to specify the price I'm willing to pay when I buy, or to specify the price I want to sell at. So if I say I'm willing to buy some Australian dollars with USDT, I can say, okay, at the moment the market value is 0.6936, but I want to buy it at 0.6950, and I just want to buy, let's say, once again, 100 Australian dollars worth. Alternatively, here now I also have the option to actually say, but I actually want to buy 100 USDT. Let's do it. When I select buy AUD with 100 USDT, we'll see that the order gets placed. But hang on, my amount changed on USD, but I didn't get any more AUD. It's because that order is an open order in my order book saying I will only buy once the price reaches that level. This way I can wait until the price is favorable for buying or selling. That's the difference between a limit order and a market order. If I'm not happy with my market order, I can simply cancel it before it's executed. But just as I was about to cancel it, it executed. And you can see I've got more USDT now, 100 more, and less Australian dollars. Very simple to buy and sell currency. Now that I have USDT, I can easily access a lot of tokens. Let's see, for instance, I want to buy some Bitcoin. I can just type in there BTC and Bitcoin comes up. Excellent. I want to buy Bitcoin. I've got 29,811 USDT is the price. I've got 547 of them. So let's say I just want to buy $250 worth. So I can say, okay, at a market order, I need to select how much Bitcoin I want to buy, but it's a bit challenging if I say I want to just buy $250 worth. I have to play around a bit with this and say, okay, what is 25%? No, it's not quite there yet. If I go 50%, so I need to look a little bit at what is 50% of my amount. It's more difficult to say I want to buy a specific dollar amounts worth, and it's easier to say I want a specific number of Bitcoin. But the moment I say buy, this order will execute, and I will buy it for whatever the price is right now, because it's a market order. I cannot cancel a market order. Once it's done, and you'll see that my Bitcoin has increased and my US Tether has decreased. If I want to make a profit, I may say, okay, I want to go to limit, but I want to sell my Bitcoin once it's at $30,000. At least that way, I know I'm going to make a bit of a profit, and I want to sell half, or let's say $250 worth of USDT. It's easy to manage this to the exact amount, and if a moment I say sell, it will simply place that order there, waiting until the price of Bitcoin goes up and reaches $30,000 before it sells. Now I'll show you at this moment, I can easily cancel this order if I want to change it, and as you see, in the moment I cancel it, my Bitcoin will back increase, amount will increase, and I can execute another trade. This is how easy it is to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Important things to remember is that it's a small fee with every time you purchase or sell, and at the same time also you can only buy and sell in matching pairs.